Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, I would like to extend my highest respect. I would like to sincerely acknowledge and honor my lecturer, Professor Dr. Dedi Hermon. My name is Anissa, student number 241988025, Magister of Education, Fakulty Social Science Universitas Negeri Padang. So, today I would like to a presentation my test title Regional Approach in Geography. Understanding the regional approach in geography, there is four. One, regional uniques, distinctive characteristic of regions. Two, integrated unit, region as a system of interacting element. Three, dynamic space, space as a living system of physical and human aspect. Four, human environment includes reciprocal impact between human there is surroundings. The relationship between the regional approach in geography, a comprehensive explanation with example from West Sumatra. One, understanding the regional approach in geography. The regional is a geographic method that analyzes a region as an integrated unit, consisting of natural phenomena, physical and human activity or social, that interact with one another. Each region has its own characteristic known as regional uniques and distinctives, which becomes the basic for comparative studies between regions. In other words, and regional approach sees space not just a surface on Earth, but a living system composed of landform and volcanic structure, climate, rainfall, hydrology, soil, flora and fauna, settlement patterns, economic culture, and social structure. Thus, the method doesn't ask only what exists in a region, but why exists, how it forms, and how humans shape and are shaped by it. Philosophical connection of the regional approach. Unveiling the philosophy dimension of regional geography, there are three connections. One, ontology, epistemology, axiology. Ontology explores the fundamental nature and essence of a region. Epistemology examines how knowledge about region is acquired. Axiology evaluates the value and purpose of regional knowledge. What are ontology, epistemology, and axiology? Ontology is a branch of philosophy that studies the nature of existence. It seeks to answer what truly exists in this world and what the fundamental characteristics of an object or phenomena are. Through ontology, we understand the essence or identity of sometimes more deeply. Epistemology is a branch of philosophy that examines the origins of a knowledge, how knowledge is acquired, and criteria determining its truth. It evaluates how humans come to know some things, what methods are used, and how that knowledge can be justified or proven. Axiology. Axiology is a branch of philosophy that examines the value, usefulness, and purpose of knowledge. This field emphasizes how knowledge is applied, whether it adds value, and how its implementation can contribute to human well-being. Philosophical connection of the regional approach. Philosophy serves as a foundation for understanding the meaning of region, how geographical knowledge is product, it how should be applied in life. The connection of phrase through three major pillars of philosophy. 1. Ontology. What is the essence of region? 2. Epistemology. How do we obtain a knowledge about a region? 3. Axiology. What is the value purpose of regional knowledge? This concept can be illustrated in depth through West Sumatra as case study. Ontology and the regional approach. Ontology discuss the nature existence of reality. In geography, ontology concerns the essence of a region. Each wilayah or region has its own intrinsic identity, shaped by natural structure and human culture. Understanding West Sumatra, ontology means uncovering 1. What fundamentally defines West Sumatra? 2. Which natural and cultural elements form its unique characteristic? West Sumatra identity, there is 2, natural structure and human culture. Like natural structure, diverse landscape and economic defining of region. Human culture, rich tradition, and social practices its a people. Ontology characteristic of West Sumatra, region in West Sumatra like Bukit Tinggi, Agam, Tanah Datar, the Minangkabau Highlands. Where is this ontology identity, essence of the region, dominated by a volcanic mountain like Marapi, Singgalang, Tandikat, cool climate material, cultural, historical center of Paderi movement. Region West in Sumatra like Padang, Pesisir Selatan, Pariaman, coastal regions, ontology identity marine economy, fishing belts, livelihood, Mesqui or Sura culture, high tsunami potential due to the subduction zone. Region West Sumatra, like Mentawai Islands, ontology identity, essence of the region, indigenous Mentawai tribe with distinctive belief system, biodiversity-rich tropical forest, major tectonic plate boundary. The examples show that ontology in geography seeks to understand what a region inherently is, its fundamental soul, cultural existence, and natural reality. 2. Epistemology and regional approach. Epistemology examines how knowledge is produced, validates, and justifies. Regional studies in Sumatra obtain knowledge through scientific methods. Interdisciplinary regional knowledge production, there's 2 like scientific methods, systematic data and collection data analysis, and then regional studies, holistic understanding of West Sumatra. Method used to understand the region, 1. Social culture documentaries. Tracking the Minangkabau materialistic lineage and Rumah Gadang philosophy. Regional study method from economic data analysis, mapping UMKM and tourism concentration around Bukit Tinggi, Payakumbuh, Sawalunto, And then regional study method of field observation, we can mapping volcanic material around Mount Marapi and Singgalang. And then just remote sensing, we can tsunami hazard modeling in Padang and Pesisir Selatan. And then epistemology knowledge West in Sumatra, like research area from Padang, Pesisir Selatan, Pariaman, tsunami zone, Method of knowledge from remote sensing, BMKG systemic data. What finding? We can finding identification of red zone coastal and R and set evacuation lines. Research area like in Lake Maninjau and Lake Singkara, method and knowledge limnological survey. What the finding from eutrophication, fish farming impacts, and tourism pressure. Research area in Solo and Agam Highlands, method knowledge rainfall and slope analysis. We can finding landslide prone regions on steep volcanic slopes. Research area in Mentawai, method and knowledge in ethnographic research. We can finding cultural resilience and forest-based survival patterns. Epistemology show that regional knowledge emerges not from assumption but from observation, mapping, measuring, and verification. 3. Axiology and the regional approach. Axiology question the useful and value of knowledge. Geographical knowledge must be beneficial. In West Sumatra, understanding regional characteristics become a basis for development, environmental management, and disaster mitigation. Ya, value and useful geographic knowledge in West Sumatra, sorry. 1. Cultural heritage prevention. Cultural heritage prevention is availability but has limited direct usefulness. Yeah, and so disaster mitigation strategies, yeah, we can highly useful and valuability for community safety. And 3, basic geographical mapping, yeah, we can both useful and values for specific application. And the last 4, yeah, economic development activities. What? Yeah, reusable but may not always high value. Yeah, and ecology application in West Sumatra, yeah, issue. Yeah, their issue tsunami risk in Padang and Pesisir Selatan, regional knowledge from Citra satellite, topography, yeah, we can particle value benefit from evacuation tower construction, disaster resilient city planning, yeah, and then issue, yeah, tourism development in Harau and Maninjau, regional knowledge from carrying capacity study, yeah, participatory value benefit, sustainable tourism, economic growth without deforestation, and issue cultural preservation of Minangkabau, yeah, regional knowledge from anthropological data, participatory value benefit, protection of rumah gadang and material inheritance system. And the last issue, Geopark and Heritage City in Sawah Lunto, regional knowledge from geological and historical mapping, participatory value or benefit from UNESCO Global Geopark and tourism-based economic. Example of ecology in action, yeah. Tsunami mitigation planning in Padang, yeah. We knowledge zoning, and then evacuation route, and then safety of thousands of lives. This is application show regional knowledge become ethnical value in protection and humanity. Yeah, what sustainable tourism at Harau Valleys? We knowledge zoning of claiming areas, forest conservation. Knowledge become economic value, environmental, ethnic. Yeah, in Sawah Lunto mining heritage development, we knowledge urban conservation. Yeah, and then historical museum, and then income for local society. Knowledge become cultural and economic value. Grand conclusion from in geography and in philosophy are deeply interconnected. Yeah, branch of geography From ontology, contribution regional to regional geography reveals the essence and identity of a region. Example from West Sumatra, volcano-based Minangkabau Highlands culture, yeah, and branch of philosophy from epistemology. Contribution to regional geography provides a methodological basis for obtaining knowledge. Example from West Sumatra, GIS tsunami mapping in Padang. Branch of philosophy from etiology. Contribution to regional geography, we can ensure knowledge is helpful for life and policy. Example from West Sumatra, disaster mitigation, tourism, and cultural prevention. Therefore, the regional approach is not just scientific, it is a philosophical. It teaches that a region is a science, or ontology, knowledge epistemology, and value and axiology. Thank you very much for your attention, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.